this guy so I can see it. So just back up a little bit. Good, perfect. And then, yeah, that's going to be that hand. So pull, this locks. Oh, I see, yep. Say hi. Hi. All right.
All right. He's down.
We're doing Aussie style next.
This would be a good one to Aussie style because it's not vertical. It's not completely straight. I mean, I don't think it makes a difference. You just gotta have balls, right? Right there.
Oh man.
Oh, that's fucking soupy. Oh, dude.
Oh boy. Let's see. Oh jeez. Oh my gosh.
I'm going in there probably.
Oh. Oh. Fuck. I can't do it. Who want to do this one? Oh my god. Holy.
Oh, fuck that.
Yeah, I mean, I just did it.
I hope these aren't your school shoes. I'm gonna be in trouble.
Yeah, that's classic.
Ooh, that's not good.
Can you lick it for me?
Oh shit. Well, these were my older approach shoes, but they don't have a whole lot of tread on them, but they're just, you know, it's still stickier rubber, but
Yeah.
I got stuff on the bottom and I just slipped right off that ledge. Nothing I could do. I just went right in.
You guys got enough room?
Look at this.
What's everybody doing?
You got that thing?
Oh,
It
no.
didn't go in the mud till later, but I got it back out just to see if I could do it.
I was trying my best not to get the rope in the mud.
That makes it a little harder.
Yeah, do you want to throw that rope on my pack? Or?
Oh, I might just put it in here.
Here we are, cruising through Egypt1. We did about a 40-foot rappel down. Now we're in the middle of the canyon itself. A little wet. We had some rain last week and making some sections a little muddy. Yeah, this one's a little longer.
What's that?
I'm recording.
Oh, this is the light. Let me go down it.
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay. That's like an actual slide.
Yeah. Just kind of could.
Ben can get through there okay, right?
Oh yeah. Control your speed. There we go. Egypt1, we made it out of the canyon. We're heading back up, back to the cars. Quite an adventure. Wow.